Now let's see what is new in Substance 3D Modeler, the 1.5 release. Now this version comes with a new tool, as you can see on the screen, the Flatten tool. As the name suggests, use this tool to flatten surfaces. Flatten is particularly useful for hard surface and stylized projects. Another new tool is the Build-Up tool. The Build-Up tool has been improved significantly both in speed and quality. You are now also able to import and use custom alphas as a brush for the Build-Up tool. This opens up a ton of possibilities for quickly adding detail to your scene, especially when single is toggled on. With single applications, you are able to control rotation and scale of your individual stamps as you apply them. The Smooth tool has been also significantly improved. Like the other surfacing tools, Smooth is now faster and produces better results. Smooth now has the option to use either movement-based or rate-based smoothing, which gives you final control over how you smooth. Also, you will notice in this new version, smooth peaks or valleys are temporarily removed. Not only that, the Crease tool also has been promoted. It no longer exists under the Build-Up tool but now has its own space on the toolbar. So, Crease tool is now faster and produces better results. Another significant update is the materials. Modeler now has basic support for PBR materials. Assigning unique materials to objects in your scene will appear as individual materials IDs when imported into Painter. You can still paint surface colors like before, but metallic and roughness values will be set based on the material assignment. Materials are visible in both model and capture modes and can be assigned on a per layer basis. Export option has been improved as well. Export now has presets available for some software and use cases. One of the great new addition is the lighting, which I really like. This release brings image-based lighting, IBL, to Modeler. IBL lets you use images to create a full environment and helps create highly realistic reflections and lighting. The environment panel has an IBL tab where you can select and adjust IBL stages. IBL can be combined with lights to create highly customized light setup.
Z Interactive, your own training institute.